guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm sharing with you a what's new at IKEA. Now, just to let you know, we are out of lockdown, but we cannot travel to where the nearest IKEA is. So these products are pretty much going to be from the website. But I have tried to get items that can be shipped at a reasonable price for you guys, so that if you do want them, they are accessible for you. I know that when I did try and purchase like a shoe cabinet once, it was gonna cost me more for postage than it actually was for the item, but I found that the smaller items, like all the sort of home organizations, small products, can actually still be shipped to you at the reasonable price. Like usually it's only $9.95. So anyway, let's jump into today's video. So the first item that I loved was this chili fruit vase. I don't know, I'm saying it in like this English way when obviously it's not. But anyway, it is a beautiful vase that has like this really cool shape to it. And the best thing that I love about this is it's so versatile. So if you're like me and you don't buy a lot of fresh flowers, like you just can't afford to honestly just buy fresh flowers all the time, then you're probably not going to have as much of a need for a vase. But this one here also doubles up as a watering can. So to me, I can use it as a watering can, and then when I need a vase, I can easily use that one as a vase. So I think that that is an amazing product, and they also do have it available in another color as well. I do personally like the glass much better because it goes with any home. The next product I really love were these Tealight candle holders, and they are super affordable, available in black, and I believe they're available in white as well. And the thing that I love about them the most is I feel like they are obviously so affordable at $5, but I think they'll look really cool in like a hanging weeping sort of tree with like heaps of them hanging down, or even like at two different angles as well, like two different lengths. So there's these ones, and I also have this other one called the Topic. Sorry, I probably aren't saying the names right, but this one was $12, so it was a little bit more pricier. And this one here was available in, I don't know if it had the other color, I will put on the screen if it does, but it does have the white. So you can get two different looks as well. You can mix and match and do what you want with them. And I also think I love lanterns like sitting on stairs as well. So one at a higher level and one at a lower. So I think that would also be really cute. Okay, so I love a good picture ledge. I actually don't have any in my house, believe it or not, but I really love them, and I just like the look of a floating shelf. So this new one that they've got, just called the Mosslander, which is 115 centimeters, and is like a pine effect. So it's like that whitewash. So if you're loving like all those natural looks and the natural textures, but you don't want it so much in your face, like not so bright, then this is a perfect addition to anyone's home. And I personally love it, and I think I might have to get one for mine too. Okay, so the next one I loved was this Bouquet of Flowers. I'm not even going to bother trying saying the name. It's 45 centimeters, and it says it's indoor outdoor according to the link. I'm not sure if it's UV resistant or not, but I thought it looked really good and it looked really real. I am one of those people that if a plant looks fake, I don't want it in my home because I just think that that screams tacky. But this one here, I thought it looked really nice and really effective. So next one is called this Staff and Stalk Mirror. It is $49. So if you're absolutely loving that natural and rattan look in your home, which is all on trend at the moment, then this mirror is for you. It is $49, and it's not too big and not too small. So it's one of those perfect mirrors where you can sort of marry with like a side chair or something like that below it, and have the mirror above it, and it doesn't look too much, and it just more like a piece of art rather than like, you know, a mirror. But obviously there is a practical element to it as well. The next item that I loved were these picture frames. Now these here look very similar to the other picture frames that I put in the other videos, but this is a new range, so it's actually a different size. So it's that beautiful matte black again, and then it's obviously got the matting inside, which is to me what makes it look like really luxurious. So if you're into that matte black, you love a good gallery wall, then this is the way to go. So if you're in lockdown or if you are avoiding the shops like I am at the moment, but you want to do those little bit of a DIY projects, then this item might be the one for you. They are these beautiful brass legs. Now they did have these in other colors as well, but I really love these beautiful brass look ones. I think that it makes a piece look so much more expensive, and obviously brass is something that is really on trend at the moment. So I really love this piece, and it's such an easy way to upgrade your pieces of furniture at home. Okay, so I know it sounds weird to put a cup on a video, but I'm going to do it. I'm gonna go there. So these are like plastic cup things, and they have a hole in the top so you can put like an S hook through it, and then you can hang it in all different places. So if you need that little bit of extra storage in your kitchen, in your shed, maybe a craft area for the kids where you can hang things up a little bit higher, then these are a great option because they are just so affordable. So $2. These should be super cheap for you to put in your order on shipping as well. The next product that I really loved, which was super affordable, which is literally $5 for a 2-pack, which are these plug house wall folders. So again, you can put these on an S hook. You could get some 3M hooks and put them on the wall. You could use some sort of drawing pin or nail or something and put them on the wall. So it could be super easy, renter friendly if you wanted it to be with just your 3M hooks. And this is great for entries, great for offices, great for all those bits of craft things and paperwork. So really good for like your drop zones and stuff like that. And as I said, $5 for a 2-pack, you can't go wrong. It is super affordable. Now, if you wanted something that you can put on your shelf rather than something that you can put on your wall, they had these really cool file holders with a cute little leopard print inside. I adore these. I think these are really beautiful, and they're in that warm color tone and color palette and very neutral. So if you are into that neutral look and you have that warm color palette in your home, then these would definitely be a must for storing in all those paperwork, artwork, all that sort of thing. Okay, and for the last 2 items, which are not very shippable, I would not imagine, not at a great price, but I had to add them in there anyway, which is this really cool shaving cabinet. So if you love the old school, you know, shaving cabinets because of the practicality of it, but you want something a little bit different because let's face it, they're the old shaving cabinets. So they have this really cool matte black one. So if you've got lots of matte black fittings in your house, then this would be such a perfect one to go with this. And if you also love open shelving as well, then this is also a way that you can add some style and function into your bathroom by buying one of these mirrors. And the other item that I really liked was this matte black pendant. So it is a 4-globe pendant, so it's quite long, and I think it would look really nice over like a rectangle table or something. And again, if you've got lots of that matte black in your home, it's a great way of sort of to like incorporate it. I have seen like a lot of homes, even with the neutral color palette, which do have splashes of like matte black things throughout home, and I still think that this would look really good in it as well. So guys, I'm going to wrap it up for today. I do apologize about the audio. I'm still waiting on my camera microphone, so it will be coming soon. And also, if you do have any video suggestions for me, please feel free to hit me up. You can hit me up in the comments below, or you can also hit me up on Facebook or Instagram. Don't forget to go check me out throughout the week there, and I will catch up with you next week for a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.